Hello, I'm back. So real quick, I just wanted to show you guys video of a project that I just recently did at my church for a vacation Bible school. The theme is Following Jesus Changed the Game. So of course, everything that's in this particular theme is just pretty much different bits and pieces of different games. This right here is the hopscotch walk, or I call it walk, but the hopscotch game. It is the 66 books of the Bible, and just, you know, threw in some little fun festive things here. I'm actually showing you guys all of this stuff because if there's anything that you see in this video that you would love to know, how did I do it? How did I create it? How did I make it? I will definitely do a video just for you. Leave it in the comments and I will make sure to do that. And now I'm just going to show you just bits and pieces of everything: wall decor, balloons, we got the little twister game, checkers, more wall stuff, Rubik's Cube, I have a dice, a Uno card that says do you know Jesus, Pac-Man wall, Scrabble on the wall as well. Do you guys notice the cross on the Pac-Man wall? And actually it doesn't say Pac-Man, it says Son of Man. Checker says move with purpose, guided by the King of Kings, King me. And the checkers board is functional, you guys. So if there's anything that you see in this video, again, that you would love for me to show you, comment below and I will definitely put a video out, and I won't take forever, I promise. So I hope you guys enjoy. I love what I do.